Hi there guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Wind Gallop air pump. Now this is a rechargeable pump. It's quite a bulky size, and that is because you can pump up anything with it. And that could be a car tyre, could be a sup, whatever you fancy really. So it comes in the box like this. It says on the back you can use it for cars, motorbikes, bikes, balls, pulp board mode, I think they mean a sup, pulp board, and a canoe. So the maximum it can pump up to is 120 psi, which is a lot, and it can pump for up to 30 minutes, so that should be enough to pump anything up really. Let's take a look in the box, see what we got. So inside we've got a nice carry case, the zip on it. And then we've got the pump itself, and there it is. So you've got a carry handle. I've got two different, one will be inflating, the other will be deflating, and there's two different pumps inside this, as well as an internal battery, so you can carry it wherever you want to go. By turning it on, this is what we get. You can cycle through the modes with this button. Okay, or you can just adjust up and down as needed, and it goes in half increments. Got a light on this side as well, which you can turn on and off on the top. So what's that symbol? It looks like a sort of tent, doesn't it? An air tent. So it'll give you the sort of PSI you need for it. Looks like a weight or something, that one. Half PSI. And that one is to deflate. Let's hear how loud this is then. It's quite noisy. Right, let's give this a go. I've got something that needs pumping up just out the other room. So I've always been into my bikes, and I've recently built this back up. Gonna get back out on the trails. Let me know if you fancy watching any videos like that, because I could definitely do a few bike videos on you. I'm gonna put this on the bike setting now. Okay, so plenty of different attachments in here. So I put on the bike one. It needs an attachment as well for that. Let's give this a go. Now it's come up as, let's see, it's come up as 45 psi, which I'll try for now. This wheel can do up to 60, we'll give 45 a go. I noticed that if you do leave it on here too long, I see it just goes to 0 then. Okay, so we only got 20 already. Should just take it up to 45 and stop. There we go. So there's two different charging wires in there. One is to allow you to charge it from a cigarette lighter in a car, and the other one is USB. Apart from the two charging leads, there's a lot of different attachments that come in here. So this is the sort of standard one we use in the UK for car tyres, bike tyres, that sort of thing. But there's a whole heap of other stuff in here, which I've got no clue what it's for. There's like 3 plastic nozzles in there. There's another 2 plastic nozzles. There's another plastic nozzle. There's this big long thing. And then you've got one for a ball, airbed, there's like a clip-on one for a bike, and an adapter for, I haven't got the jargon at all here, have I? What is it, Presta and Schroeder valves for the bike? So there's 2 different compartments inside, one's for the pump, one's for all your valves, and there's another one at the top, you can put small valves in there, or your charging lead or something. Future for the channel. Who thinks I should change it back to Mr. Wild Wheels? thinking about it. Kat is still in the picture, by the way, don't get me wrong. She's going to be doing her own channel. I won't reveal what it's about yet. I'll leave her to tell you about that one when she comes up with it. But we're going to be keeping the camping channel, and she's also going to have something about a mysterious subject. Let me know in the comments what you think about that one. This is probably going to be living in the back of my car. It'll be the main thing I use it for, I think. So just put it on the car setting. Right, could be an issue here. When I was pumping up both my back tyres, they were both coming up at about 26 psi. Now, I know they should be more than that. I put them up to 34, it was supposed to be 38. I'm wondering if there's an error in the reading of this. It's not showing correctly. I think I better take it to a petrol garage, check what their PSI is saying, and I'll be back in 2 ticks. Right, let's check this out. So I put 34 in here. Oh, that's right. Okay, tidy. Now, as well as inflating, we can also use it to deflate things. So I'm going to try this vacuum bag. See how this performs. Instead of putting it on the inflating one, we put it on this one to deflate. Now, despite having a million valves in there, I can't find the perfect one, so I'm just going to have to hold this on there. Oops, there we go. Right, so you can see it did that in no time at all. And I've got some very flat clothes to pack away in the cupboard. That worked really well, actually. That was gifted to me for this review. If you want one, I put the link below. I believe it's a sort of Kickstarter thing at the moment, so it's not for sale in the shops yet. You've just got to fund them through that page. If that's something you're interested in, that link is below for you. Thank you for watching. Catch you soon. Ta-da and breako and all that jazz. Ta-da.